Hi everyone. In today's video, you are going to learn how to copy and paste an email in Outlook in 2026. Now, this helps you reuse the email content quickly in another message without forwarding the original. So let's walk through it step by step. First of all, you need to open Outlook. Over here, go to the option of Inbox. In the inbox, you need to simply double click on the email which you want to copy so that it opens in a full window. So as you can see, let's say this is the email which I want to basically copy. Now, once you see this type of section in front of you, simply press Ctrl plus A on your keyboard. This is going to select the email, the content, or you can also use the mouse in order to highlight only that particular part which you need. So once you have selected it, simply press Ctrl plus C on your keyboard in order to copy it. After copying it, simply click on the option of New Mail. Select the option of your sender. Here in the email body, you just have to click on it once, then press Ctrl plus V. And as you can see, you have successfully pasted the content which you have basically copied from the email. The text, the formatting, and the images will appear here instantly. If you want to paste the content as plain text, you can right click and choose the option of paste as text. So here, after doing it, you can hit the enter button. If you want to add any attachments here, you can click on this link icon on the top and you can browse the documents from your computer. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.